With so many good roasting pans on the market, narrowing down the top picks can be a challenge. Luckily, I've done the research for you by using my culinary experience to select the best roasting pan that you can buy today. Just make sure to click the links in the description box to see the current prices for each of the best roasting pans. If you're looking for a versatile roasting pan that won't break the bank, then the Milk Street Enamel roasting pan might be just what you need. This lightweight yet durable pan is designed to outperform its glass, ceramic, and flimsy metal counterparts. Made from enameled steel, this pan combines the best of both worlds. You get the heat distribution and high temperature resistance of steel, with the non-stick properties and easy cleaning of enamel. It can handle temperatures up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for a wide range of cooking tasks. The pan's design includes comfortable, roomy handles, a feature you'll appreciate when transferring hot dishes from oven to table. Its size, 17 inches long and 10.5 inches wide, is perfect for roasting a whole chicken or preparing a family-sized casserole. One of the standout features is its versatility. You can use it for roasting vegetables, baking sheet pan pizzas, preparing lasagna, and cooking fruit cobblers. The pan's stylish appearance means it can go straight from oven to table, adding a touch of elegance to your meals. Cleaning is super simple, just wash with soap and hot water. However, avoid using abrasive cleaners to maintain the enamel coating. Considering it's less than $60, this pan offers excellent value for money. It's a kitchen workhorse that could easily become your go-to pan for many dishes. If you're looking for a top-notch roasting pan, then the Hestan Provisions 16.5-inch Classic Clad roaster could be a great choice. This versatile pan can handle everything from holiday turkeys to weeknight roast chicken. The tri-ply construction with an aluminum core ensures even heating, perfect for creating rich gravies and pan sauces right on the stovetop. No need to dirty extra pots. You'll love the thoughtful design touches. Flush rivets make cleanup a breeze, while the ergonomic handles let you safely transport heavy roasts from oven to table. Plus, the included stainless steel rack elevates your meat for all-over browning, which really makes a difference to the taste. This roaster can take the heat too. It's oven safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit and can even go under the broiler. Plus, it works on all cooktops, including induction. Here's a snapshot of the key features that make it such a good roasting pan. 16.5-inch size fits large roasts and poultry. Tri-ply stainless steel construction. Aluminum core for superior heat conductivity. Flush rivets for easy cleaning. Ergonomic handles. Includes a stainless steel rack. Oven safe to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Broiler and induction compatible. With its sleek brushed finish, this roaster looks great for serving too. It's a versatile pan you'll reach for again and again, from holiday feasts to everyday meals. Checking in at number 5 on my roasting pan reviews is the Cristel USA Roaster. This stainless steel beauty is built to last and can handle a variety of cooking tasks. With its 3-ply construction, you'll get even heat distribution across the entire pan. No more worrying about hot spots burning your food. The 18-tenth stainless steel finish not only looks sleek, but also resists corrosion and staining. You'll love how this roaster can go from stovetop to oven without missing a beat. It's oven safe up to a whopping 550 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you plenty of flexibility for your recipes. Cleanup is a breeze too. Just pop it in the dishwasher when you're done. And if you're cooking on induction, halogen, gas, ceramic, or electric stovetops, you're in luck. This pan works on all of them. At over $250, it's an investment piece. But with its lifetime guarantee and 30-day return policy, you can buy with confidence. Plus, if you can get it on sale, the deal will be even sweeter. One neat feature is its ability to cook with minimal fat. By preheating the pan and using the right technique, you can achieve great results without drowning your food in oil. Just remember to avoid sudden temperature changes to keep your roaster in top shape. With proper care, this Cristel USA roaster could become your go-to pan for holiday dinners and everyday meals alike. Checking in at number 4 on my best roasting pans reviews list, we have the Alva Nori 12-inch by 8-inch roasting pan. This 4-quart cast iron beauty is a real multitasker, perfect for everything from roasted veggies to delicious lasagna. Cast iron is known for its heat retention, and this pan doesn't disappoint. Your food will stay warm long after it leaves the oven. Plus, the even heat distribution means no more hot spots ruining your dishes. You'll be able to taste the difference in your food. The pan's enamel coating is a game changer because it's scratch resistant, which makes cleaning super simple. No more struggling with stuck-on food or worrying about damaging the surface. Just a quick wash with warm water and soap and you're done. Comfort is key in the kitchen, and the Nori delivers. The large handles give you a secure grip, even with oven mitts on. Unlike with other roasters, you'll feel confident moving this pan from oven to table, even though it weighs a sturdy 7.7 pounds. The Nori is oven safe and works on all cooktops, including induction. It's also free from PFAS, PTFE, and PFOA, so you can cook without worry. One of the best features, no seasoning required. The enamel coating means you can start using it right out of the box. It's a time saver that doesn't compromise on quality. Remember to preheat on medium heat for best results. A little oil or butter goes a long way in preventing sticking. With proper care, this top roasting pan could easily be your cooking companion for years to come. As the best nonstick roasting pan on the market, the HexClad hybrid roasting pan and carving set might be your new kitchen MVP. Besides being wonderfully nonstick, this versatile pan boasts even heat distribution, making it perfect for roasting turkeys, veggies, or whipping up casseroles. You'll love the nonstick surface that's a breeze to clean. Plus, it's metal utensil safe, so go ahead and use those electric mixers without worry. The included rack keeps your roasts elevated, allowing those flavorful drippings to collect below. But wait, there's more. This set comes with a carving knife and fork that'll make you feel like a pro chef. The knife's blade is crafted from 67 layers of Japanese Damascus steel, ensuring razor-sharp cuts and impressive durability. The ergonomic packwood handles on the carving set offer comfort and control as you slice through your perfectly roasted creations. Whether you're hosting a holiday feast or prepping weeknight dinners, this popular HexClad set has got you covered. If you're looking for the best stainless steel roasting pan in the USA, then I highly recommend getting the Heritage Steel Stainless Clad 9-inch by 13-inch roasting pan with handles. This roasting pan offers a perfect blend of durability and performance. Its 3-ply construction features an aluminum core sandwiched between layers of stainless steel, providing quick and even heating every time. The stainless steel exterior also ensures superior durability and protects against metal leaching. With its 9-inch by 13-inch interior cooking surface, this pan is ideal for roasting medium to large cuts of meat. The 1.96-inch depth allows for ample space to cook with vegetables or make gravy. I honestly think it's the best roasting pan with rack that you can get. The pan's handles make it easy to maneuver even when full, and you can safely use this roaster in ovens up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you flexibility for various recipes. Cleanup is straightforward too, thanks to the stainless steel surface, which doesn't react with acidic foods and is resistant to staining. Made in the USA, this Heritage Steel roasting pan comes with a lifetime warranty. Unlike with cheap knockoffs, you can feel confident in its quality and longevity. So, what is the best roaster that you can buy? Whether you want the best roasting pan for turkey or the best roasting pan for chicken, I really think that the Xtrema rectangular baking dish is a top choice. This 100% ceramic dish comes in 3 sizes, 2-quart, 4-quart, and 6-quart, so you can choose the perfect fit for your kitchen. One of those standout features is its even heating and excellent thermal retention. No more worrying about hot spots or unevenly cooked food. Plus, the low rim makes it easy to turn and baste your roasts. You'll appreciate the lightweight one-piece construction that's still durable enough to withstand high temperatures. Use it in the oven, on the barbecue, or even in the microwave. When you're done, just pop it in the dishwasher for easy cleaning. Safety is a priority with this pan. It's made without heavy metals, PFOA, PFAS, or non-stick coatings. You can rest easy knowing your food won't be in contact with any harmful chemicals. The Xtrema baking dish isn't just functional, it's also attractive enough to use as a serving dish. Its glossy finish will look great on your dinner table. With a 10-year warranty and a 30-day trial period, you can try this roasting pan with complete confidence. It's a versatile addition to your kitchen that you'll likely find yourself reaching for often. And with that said, I really hope my video helped you to pick the best roasting pan for you. Again, the links to each of these products are at the top of the description box. Please feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.